Now, let me explain how to fix the issue when templates are not showing up in your app, as you can see here. In the CapCut app on your phone, if templates aren't showing up, the usual reason could be a connection issue, as you can see. There could be issues with your internet connection, region settings, or even app glitches. What can help resolve this? First, you need to check your internet connection, as templates load online carefully. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, as you can see here, or even consider using a different network connection for better results. Mobile data or other options. Now let's try using a VPN. But with a VPN, you can also switch regions carefully. You can also try switching your region settings, as this might help resolve the issue, so give it a shot, okay? Log in without entering an account. As you can see, some templates might not appear, so don't worry too much. The feed might be empty, that's all. You can simply log into your account and refresh it. This is how you can say it. In general, a VPN is often used in situations like these, you see. In situations like these, switching to Wi-Fi can really help you. So let's try that if it doesn't work. If Wi-Fi isn't working, try using mobile data instead, as you can see here. That truly helps a lot. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and saying goodbye for now. See you soon.